Yes. So as I said, the last video was a little bit too long. So what we're going to do is show the second part now, and it has my favourite exhibition, has my favourite show. So yeah, enjoy.
Are you scared? Look, I hold your hands up.
Yeah, it's just a machine.
Let's go to the other side. It's okay, baby.
Leo's a little bit afraid of these things. I don't know what they are, but there seems to be some kind of pulley system with some, I don't know, there's a pulleys up there, and it compresses things and then they move. Very interesting. A little bit scary. Whoa! Just came at me. Yeah, it looks like they're dancing. Wow. It does look like they're dancing together. It's very romantic, actually. It kind of reminds me of, I guess because of the things on the floor. Kind of reminds me of like Sento Chihiro. So this is called Ariel. It's the airy spirit who appears in William Shakespeare's The Tempest. Oh, of course, yes. The natural landscape and wind of Echigo-Tsumari are expressed through dance and music. The performance time is 5 minutes. And in the next room, snowing, but it happens once every 5 minutes. Should I wait for 5 minutes for this to happen and just speak to you? Or should I just... Maya's feeling a little bit sleepy. Ooh.
How did you say that?
She's very happy.
I thought something was going on.
We're still waiting for the snow, but it's coming soon. Still waiting for snow to come. Yes. Oh, it's starting. So the snow comes from there in the shape of paper houses and monuments from other countries around the world. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm a little bit disappointed. And the reason is I was hoping to see it like a lot more snow, a lot more paper falling. I was hoping it would be more like a snow globe kind of thing, where it would blow from the bottom and from the top and just blow paper everywhere. But it doesn't. All the paper collects at the bottom, and I guess they put it back up there. Yeah, I think you can see there's like, I don't know if you can see it, but that in there is where the paper is stored and comes out from. There's 4 of them, and yeah, they fall down here. It's pretty cool. Look, so I did have a little bit of time to check out the next room, and it's basically these conversations from the oppressive Soviet rule. So basically people have been oppressed during the former Soviet Union, and bits and pieces of their conversation. So for example, don't forget to take the bucket from them. They don't need it anyway. Did you read Seneca? So be patient, as he recommended. Touch him. Look how sweet he is. So there's all of these different notes, different parts of different conversations tied to bits and pieces of rubbish from the time. And when you walk across, it really does look beautiful. It looks absolutely amazing, having these ropes with bits and pieces of people's lives on display, with snippets, little pieces of their conversation. It's very interesting. And we are allowed to walk through. Should I go through? Yeah, there it is. It's in Japanese as well, so look where you put your glasses. Somebody will sit on them and break them. Move. You took all the room. Did you hear me or what? Why are you sleeping? Is my conversation so boring? Yeah, very interesting. 3 times 3 is 9. And what did you write? Volodya, please pay more attention to it. Concentrate. With a broken fork. Right. On to the next room, I think. Yeah, baby. We're going to Gallery 3. In response to the theme of the Shinanogawa River and water, low-frequency sound vibrations, inaudible to human ear, and transmitted to the stainless steel probe, appear as water ripples. It's really it's flickering a lot. You can't really see it, but when you look at it with your bare eyes, it is enough to give you an epileptic shock. An epileptic shock is basically what happens if you see flashing lights and you start to have a seizure. Oh wow, look at this. My gosh, what's going on here? I don't even know, man. This was by Nawakohe. I'm not entirely sure what's happening, but it seems as if it's pouring down here. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I think it's basically something pouring from up there and pouring down. And there's this guy acting like a train. It's beautiful. So it's basically this silicon oil and black pigment just pouring from the sky, and it goes down there. And I don't know how it works. If the paper houses thing only comes from the top and doesn't get how much silicon oil do they have up there? Or does it get recirculated? I have no idea, but it's beautiful. The sound is beautiful. The kind of slight vibration in how they fall is really beautiful. Yeah, it's really nice. I think this is my favorite so far. And the next thing here, Leo, you looking? This is all soil from Niigata, different types of soil, and it creates this kind of gradient, which is really, really lovely. It's really nice, isn't it? Oh, they're from all different places, but it's kind of the same color. They created the same gradients. It's really nice. Hello, yeah, look, I'm recording this after the fact. I just realized a lot of this train video, while it looks really nice to see, it's not very interesting to listen to. So if you're not actually watching the video, you're just listening to a whirring sound. But what you can see basically is there's this little train in this room, and attached to the train is this light. And at the moment, it's going back in reverse. It's going quite fast. But when you first get into the room and you first watch this from the beginning, it's basically going very, very slowly, and it goes through this track, and there are all these objects on the floor. The room is completely dark, except for the light on this train. And as it goes along this track, and as the light shines on all of the objects around the room, it casts these really, really cool shadows on the wall. So there'll be like these pins, like haru, like hundreds of them in the floor. And when the light shines on them, as the train goes past, it casts this shadow on the wall, and it looks like a forest, like trees, like shadows of trees. They look like trees on the wall as it's going past. And then there's another kind of object, and when it shines a light and casts the shadow on the wall, it looks like a bridge. And then finally, it basically goes into this tunnel, and it makes the entire room black gradually, and then it goes all in reverse. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I hope this was a better explanation than just watching the video and not really hearing anything. That shadow projection thing, it's absolutely amazing. I think it's representative of the textile industry in this area. Let me confirm. Yeah, in Echigo-Tsumari, the textile industry once thrived, and a small model train bearing a bright light casts shadows across parts of textile looms, giving the appearance of an unseen landscape of the region. And like, look man, look, even these chairs look very, very artistic. Oh, this looks like an art installation, when really it's just a place to relax. I wouldn't mind having one of these chairs, they're quite nice, aren't they? And then they have some prints, photography prints on the wall. Oh wow. That's a little bit scary, isn't it? Oh my god. I don't know where this is, but